In this video, I'm just going to quickly show people how you can change your direction switch if I send you a replacement of those due to a failure, or the speed dial if I send you one of these. So first we'll start off with the speed dial. I mean, I can just sort of pull that off, but I got pretty strong fingers. So if you don't have strong fingers, you can use a little flat-headed screwdriver and just sort of push it off that way, and then you don't need strong fingers. I've even used forks and stuff. Like really anything that gets under the lip of the dial, this will pop off. Once that's off, you just need a pair of pliers or a wrench that fits this little hex nut here, and you want to loosen that until the nut comes off. You can take the nut off. There's a little washer here. And then you'll have the little speed control, which unplugs from the circuit board, just like that. And then you can take your replacement, just plug it back into the circuit board, put it into this hole. You want to make sure that it's aligned like this. You put the washer on, then you take this nut, you put that onto the threads there, and you just start spinning it till you get it kind of tight. Then once it's most of the way tight, you can take your pliers or your wrench and just give it a few additional twists until it just gets snug. You don't need to get it really tight. You just get that little snug. You pop the dial back on and you're good to go. So the other thing I was going to mention is changing the switch. On this one, it again is plugged into the circuit board. So in this one, the first thing you do is unplug that. And then if you look closely, you'll see that there's two little plastic tabs. And what I generally do to get this removed, this will be a little difficult to show on video, but let's see if I can get a good angle. So what I do is I take a flat-headed screwdriver and just push one of those in, and then I push the switch down. So I'm using this thumb to push the switch down, and then I push that, and then that lets you get sort of the plastic tab past the lip of the case, and then I just take the screwdriver and I push the other plastic tab. And once you've kind of got both those plastic tabs pushed past the edge of the case, it just sort of pops on out. Sometimes it takes a couple of tries, especially when I'm trying to catch it on video, but at that point it pops out. And when you get the replacement, in order to put it in, there's this little groove on one side like that, and that just lines up with the groove of the case. And putting it in is actually a lot easier. You just take it and you push it and it snaps into place, and then you plug it back into the circuit board and the switch is replaced. Hope you found that helpful. Thanks for watching.